cricket is the perfect game to watch with alcohol.
Yeah.
Like it's
Yeah,
just
it's
the pace
slow,
is
aram se.
perfect.
Bro, if you see
Wankede
these...
mein aaya booze. Dude, this is the greatest year of Shah Rukh Khan's life if you consider the 2 hits
Jawan,
plus
Pathaan,
KKR.
Plus Aryan's bail.
This is cricket's version of the Bollywood heroine.
There's Steve Waugh, what?
That was Shane
Bro,
Warne.
I know all body parts. I know like finger is called digiti mini-me.
Maximus is ass, right?
Yeah.
And what is Minimus?
Minimus भी आजू बाजू में ही है. Gluteus maximus gets you a lot of Maximus likes on Instagram.
My abdomen guard situation was really bad because it was in my regular underwear.
And Sachin को उसमें एक flat दिया है उन्होंने.
हाँ.
People are like यहाँ तक मारा था तो इधर flat.
Scale is Bangalore's biggest builder.
Welcome to Crickheads episode 20.
Bapu for a reason. Akshar
Bapu
Patel.
बापू बोल दिया direct. Yes, Akshar Patel, jersey number 20, and this is a very special episode
Because Bapu is an all-rounder.
Yes.
To celebrate another all-round human being in general.
Yes.
In life and in cricket actually,
Yes,
all-rounder.
comedian, father,
Yeah.
batsman, bowler.
And has ESOPs in Old Monk.
ESOPs. It's Anirban Dasgupta.
Dasgupta.
Hello Anirban.
Yay.
How's it going?
Hello, hi. Thank you so much for having me. I am full all-rounder. I can play cricket and I can also not play cricket.
That's the full gamut. You are our second
His
guest.
most favorite thing, drinks break. But before, because you have two Bengalis, आज मैंने coffee order किए Boca से guys. Sponsorship for Boca because you have two Bocas.
But what does that make you?
Hey, speaking of Bocas,
Bocas, the Billy Bowden has made her appearance.
if you are, where's the second half of that word? It's us. But first, 1 minute में बोका वो बोले तो
एक मिनट में
strike आ जाता है क्या?
बोका भी बोल दिया, बिल्ली भी है.
Seriously, ये सब होता है?
I think बंगाली में नहीं होता है,
हाँ.
इंग्लिश में कुछ होता है.
Bengali setting updated नहीं है.
No AI has caught up to that yet.
So we'll give a disclaimer.
Yes.
I am traveling after we go for cricket, which is on the 28th of September.
Yes.
So this is going to come out later.
Yeah.
ठीक है? But we are recording today, which is the 19th.
Yeah, this is by the time this comes out,
September.
the dust would have settled on
Yeah.
तुम लोगों का performances, and Anirban, you're also there. In,
Yes, I'm
He is
also
a
there.
captain,
I'm
mostly.
No, I'm not the captain at all.
Oh.
I love being vice captain. I think that's the
Best.
perfect. You become captain
Yeah.
when captain has gone to pee.
And if in that one over wicket गिर जाता है, people are like, you should have
you
been
get the credit.
इसको आता है सब.
Ajinkya Rahane, Gaba victory.
Yeah, exactly, dude. It's like, अरे हर रोज विराट कोहली should expect a child.
Yeah, dude, can you get a child quickly? 1 week away.
Border Gavaskar trophy.
That match, I remember Rahane was batting also like a person who has no kids, nothing. Just go all out.
But having watched Anirban in the nets, he
Yes.
is like a very naturally stylish player to watch. Like old
Nice.
school cricket, देख के लगता है Eden Gardens में nets किया है
Arey,
इसने.
he used to play in Maidan, right? He
Yes,
used to play
yes,
cricket.
yes.
So,
In Maidan.
club cricket. Arey, that's not.
I played in Eden Gardens also.
Please explain to him what is Maidan. He thinks it's just general
Dude,
Maidan.
Maidan is crazy, dude. Maidan is
What is Maidan? It's
oval Maidan ka baap.
what? Achha, but it's called only Maidan.
It's
Yeah,
only
it's
it's a
Wow.
Kolkata Maidan.
What is
And,
that?
That's
Okay.
how big it is. They don't need
It
another
is
word.
huge. It is huge, and it is like very historic. Like it drives the sports in the city. Eden Gardens is there. Mohan Bagan Stadium, East Bengal Stadium, Mohammedan Sporting Stadium. All the stadiums are there,
हाँ.
right next to each other. Then Basketball Association, volleyball, all some
Yeah.
sports जो Olympics में भी नहीं है और अच्छा भी नहीं है, वो सब भी है. And then apart from that, it has a lot of like political connections. Like
Okay.
the biggest rally ground is also there. there.
Yeah.
The real sport of Bengal, the rally.
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, Bengalis का stereotype कैसा है कि ये lazy रहते हैं और ये पत्थर फेंकते हैं.
वो दोनों उधर होते हैं मैदान में. You can get unlimited supply of पत्थर.
उधर cricket helmet actually riot के लिए पहनते हैं.
Anirban and his city is the reason that we don't get full water bottles in
Yes.
the stadium.
That's right.
Actually, I was in the stadium that day.
This is
Set context.
96.
96 World Cup semi-final.
Yes.
When Kambli cried, people when Sachin got run out.
Yes.
Yes, that
This-
match.
this is Sri
Run
Lanka,
out
right?
comes stumped.
India Sri Lanka.
India Sri Lanka
Yeah.
semi-final. That match was so insane, packed house. Jayasuriya and Kaluvithana, the two main players of Sri Lanka, out in the second over. Okay, both have scored ducks. दोनों का third man में catch हुआ. एक third man मेरे सामने था, मेरे को याद
अरे
है.
बस.
And then this Arvinda De Silva
Yes, fucking
came
guy.
and played like a
Yeah.
childless person.
Bachelor energy.
And he played T20 cricket in the 96 semi-final.
Man.
And just changed the game. Like
Yeah.
saw the game drift away in front of
Fuck,
me.
man.
And
He was
then
man of the series, right?
He was man of the
yeah,
series.
I remember.
He scored some 80 or 60 in the semis, scored a century in the finals. These
Hey.
Sri Lankans are always scoring centuries in the finals.
Yeah, dude. Wait, was this the game where Sidhu played well or something?
Sidhu didn't play that, or did he? I don't know. I don't
Okay,
think
okay. But he was in 96.
He was the
and-
opening batsman. And then in the reply, Sachin Tendulkar was fully on song.
Yeah, it was
Yeah.
amazing to
Yeah.
watch in that.
It was like,
inning.
I think 90 for 1.
Okay.
And from there, we just, after Tendulkar's wicket, then there was the Manjrekar was there.
Nothing. You don't need to
yeah,
say.
आगे का
Anirban, you don't have to say anything. You feel
Yeah.
like Tendulkar out हो गया. बस
खत्म.
पता ही है
I
तुम्हें.
remember when Nayan Mongia, he was that guy was also there. Nayan Mongia. And then Ashish Kapoor.
Ashish
Remember
Kapoor.
yeah.
I've heard this name after so long.
Yeah, it sounds
मैंने और
only
vaguely ही
like,
सुना था.
sounds like NPC, like it doesn't have a role.
Yeah.
Not player character.
Basic
GTA
off
6
spinner.
में पीछे Ashish Kapoor.
Yeah, fake name of cricketer. Sounds like.
He was a bowler.
He was an off spinner.
And then Kambli crying, you saw?
Yeah, he was crying for no reason. Game was lost.
So what was the so India had essentially lost when they started throwing bottles because we were like on paper it was
Yeah,
over,
dude.
right?
I think from 90 for 1, we were like 120 for 7 or
Yeah,
something.
Oh,
6.
yeah.
classic
It was like
collapse.
proper textbook collapse.
Yeah.
Man, like every 3 balls a wicket was going down.
Yeah.
My mom actually sensed that something's gonna go wrong.
Okay.
Okay, but
Oh.
she is Eden Gardens regular.
Is she a,
So she knows.
is she a card carrying communist
Yes.
also? She knows it's going to go wrong now.
When communist carries card, it's not a credit card.
My mom is a card carrying rioter. She has seen a lot. She was around when these West Indies players were like made to run across the Maidan. Okay, because like fans chased them. So like Clive Lloyd and all these guys.
Clive Lloyd अपना चश्मा पकड़ के भाग रहा है.
So I read this very nice book. It's called I think some ground rules. उसमें Saurav Ganguly has written a love letter to Eden Gardens. And वहाँ पे he brings out a great insight where he's like Clive Lloyd was made to run across the Maidan with his fellow West Indies
Yeah.
for his life. I'm sure he didn't forget it because in the 96 semi-final he was the match referee. He was like, again it's happening, again it's match over, match abandoned.
Oh man! But that's the day Eden Gardens became plastic free. So
Yeah.
we should thank
All of Indian stadiums became
yeah,
plastic
environmental friendly.
Yes.
But I can understand, like, I mean, I am not like supporting riots, but when you go to a stadium, you see the infrastructure around it is so shitty.
Yeah.
पुलिस वाले तुम्हारे जेब से कॉइन निकाल के ले रहे हैं. लाइक आप कॉइन नहीं ले जा सकते अंदर. लाइक बेकार की चेकिंग होती है. लाइक मेरे साथ
हमारे इधर बैंगलोर में वी टू दे चेक फॉर अल्कोहल ऑफ कोर्स. तो हम वो छोटे यू गेट द सिग्नेचर मैकडॉनल्ड्स के इतने छोटे बड़े वो सॉक्स में ले जाते थे हम.
क्या बात क्यों?
So we would go in line. So we let the first person get caught if required, and then the others would get in. The first person put it in the pocket. You get caught. Second person has it in the socks.
Taking one for the cop.
Yeah.
Night watchman.
नाइट पहुंच पे ने सेंचुरी मार दी.
तू लेकिन क्यों दारू लेके जा रहा है स्टेडियम में?
Because-
Chinnaswamy.
because it was RCB versus some West Indies team. Remember the Champions Trophy क्या होता था IPL?
हाँ चैंपियंस लीग हाँ.
घटिया.
अरे आरसीबी के मैच में तो दारू अलाउड होना चाहिए. नेम इज आरसीबी.
Dude, I'll tell you, in that game, I remember Praveen Kumar, the super
yeah,
pacer,
yes,
was from the Akhada directly.
Yes.
Itna strong but bowling gentle swingers. Every ball that Gaurav Kapoor, what's the host?
Breakfast with Champion.
Yeah, he was there. He was doing the announcement like everybody say PK, PK, PK. सब लोग PK, PK 6. he gave 24 runs in that over. और हम लोग हर बॉल में बोल रहे अच्छा बॉल डाल भाई.
Dude, I just saw Praveen Kumar at Delhi airport.
Yeah.
I was just behind him.
Yeah.
Nobody was bothering him.
Yeah.
I really wanted to say hi, but उसका शर्ट में लिखा हुआ था don't disturb me. okay.
I respect that.
Yeah.
dude.
But that's also like a call to attention कि भाई देखो
Yeah.
मैं कौन हूँ, like you know.
Dude, he was very badass, I remember, but it was funny that इतना slow ball करता
But he was a
था
good
वो.
swing bowler.
Swings
Yeah.
में Australia में जाके he like
Yeah.
fuck them.
And even in the beginning of his career, he was really a problem. I remember people were struggling to play.
Just
him.
like every other Indian
That's
bowler.
True. That's true.
Memoir,
Bursting
generic
onto the
memoir.
scene and then bursting out of it. That's the only change now. I would say with Bumrah and all. Like they are really keeping it going.
Yeah. इनफैक्ट इवन दिस दारू का तूने बोला तो मैं वानखेड़े में सचिन का फाइनल टेस्ट था, तो हम लोग ने जब मेरे पास 5 day पास था, व्हेन सचिन गॉट आउट, आई गॉट आउट ऑफ द स्टेडियम, आई एम लाइक डूड नाउ तो वी डोंट नो इफ वील वॉच हिम बैट एंड ऑल. तो मी एंड माय फ्रेंड्स एवरीवन हैड कम फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सिटीज, दुबई, एवरीथिंग. हम लोग बियर पीने चले गए और मैंने लाइफ की सबसे घटिया बियर पी है मैंने, खजुराहो. It's a beer which is इतना high कर देता है
You mean
तुम्हें.
like Khajuraho, the famous like the
I think खजुराहो. कमेंट्स में बताओ तुम लोग तुमने
World Heritage Site.
भाई उसके बाद हम लोग ने जाके रोहित शर्मा को बू किया है ऑडियंस से क्योंकि वो सेंचुरी मार रहा था. ये लाइक मत मार साले, सचिन वापस चाहिए हमें.
Oh, so
we were so high.
You didn't take alcohol into the
No. But I took something more. I got pissed at the cop. Because I took binoculars. I had because I wanted to watch Sachin थोड़ा close up में.
That is such a 90s way of watching cricket.
You know the worst thing.
I remember 90s
yeah.
So then the second day I go there and they're like binoculars आप क्यों allowed नहीं है. मैं बोला मैं कल लाया था, मैं ये लेकर जा रहा हूँ. And मैं इतना गुस्से में बोला कि like ठीक है लेके जाओ. And the worst thing is मैं देख रहा हूँ बाइनोक्यूलर से सचिन बैटिंग कर रहा है 70s समथिंग में. सडनली उसने एक ऐसा शॉट मारा कट और सब साइलेंट हो गए और मुझे पता नहीं क्योंकि मैं तो उसको देख रहा. फिर निकाला, मैं बोला शिट स्लिप था वहां पे और
it's out of frame.
Oh shit.
So I thought in cricket stadiums they don't allow buying
anymore,
alcohol.
but I remember early days they used to.
What?
I remember binocular my dad used to bring from abroad so that I can take it to Eden Gardens to watch.
Yeah. I remember once I'd gone for a test match and in front of me one man was seeing from binoculars and I was like, can I see please? And then I saw and I couldn't get the adjustment. I couldn't see anything. But he was like, did you see udhar ye hai wo hai? And I was under pressure. I'm like, हाँ दिख रहा है मेरे कुछ नहीं दिखा.
अरे मैं फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैच देखने गया था वानखेड़े में, द्राविड का 100th टेस्ट था, तो मैंने देखा था कि वो इस पे न्यूज में आया था 100th brick in the wall. ठीक है ना, उस टाइम पिंक फ्लॉयड मैंने डिस्कवर किया लाइफ में. हम लोग वो वाह मैं तो ये कॉपी कर रहा हूँ. बचपन में प्लेजरिज्म. मैं लेके गया बोर्ड, साले ले लिए मुझसे बाहर ही.
बोर्ड ले लिया?
हाँ, वो जो भी पोस्टर बना के गए 100th brick in the wall.
I तो remember.
देखो वॉल लेके जाना चाहिए, ब्रिक लेके जाना चाहिए next.
I to remember, and I might have said this, the poster thing I remember from a test match is Ganguly was bowling and they were holding a poster एकदम in his line of sight ki don't worry dada, Nagma still loves you. And it looks, when you're in the stand, it looks like he's looking at you. So when he's walking away, I'm like, dude, he can see you, can you hide that? And he was bowling he was bowling fast, 130 and all he was hitting. He was bowling really fast that day. I was like, he saw the poster.
Dude, I can't believe like, you know, मेरे दिमाग में like these kinds of things about like the legends that we grew up watching.
Yeah.
Like in Nagma के साथ affair and I'm like dude नहीं ये सब सच नहीं है ठीक है.
सब है भाई.
अरे
झूठ है.
गांगुली के ऊपर एक मैं मस्त वीडियो देखा था YouTube पे उसका मैनेजर का शैलेंद्र सिंह आई थिंक he gives a great insight on like गांगुली को कैसे वो मतलब basically attract किया towards his manager is going to say seduce
हनी ट्रैप किया.
पार्ले जी देके पार्ले जी और चाय देके हनी ट्रैप हो जाता गांगुली.
तो वो बहुत सही YouTube में like a 15-minute interview that
Okay.
like, you know, goes behind the scenes की गांगुली के cricket he was India captain, he was absolutely heights पे था, then this Nagma controversy and all, so behind the scenes what was happening.
Oh,
So he
nice,
gives
nice,
a-
nice.
And Nagma was like दादा हम तुम्हें नहीं भूलेंगे.
भूले तो नहीं
भूले तो नहीं.
But I
man.
feel like generally they should allow alcohol in cricket stadiums. It's the perfect place to. Cricket is the perfect game to watch with alcohol.
Yeah.
Like it's
Yeah,
just
it's
the
slow,
pace is
आराम से.
perfect.
Bro, if you see these
वांगखेड़े में आया booze. That's what they should say.
Pakistan people wear shoes.
पाकिस्तान को लाना ही है.
लाना ही
second line.
पड़ेगा.
next board मिल गया.
Dude, the thing is when you're watching these matches in England, you're watching these matches in South Africa,
it's too
West Indies is a party. नहीं
भाई.
सामने पिंजरा लगा हुआ है उनके, वो
भाई,
लोग
Darren-
ड्रम बजा रहे हैं.
Darren Sammy Stadium में अभी T20 World Cup में they're sitting in a swimming
Yes.
like a floating
Yeah.
pool drinking.
That's insane.
Ball is passing over.
नहीं पर
your
अपना
head.
हम लोग का कल्चर नहीं है ना, अभी वो
Yeah.
प्लास्टिक बॉटल फेंक रहे हैं,
हाँ.
तो अभी ऐसे ग्लास बॉटल. That's too much.
But Indians लोग ग्लास नहीं फेंकेंगे, वो घर ले जाएंगे. You have to.
हाँ, वो रद्दी में अच्छा पैसा मिलेगा.
You have to give the water in the packets. जो
Pouch.
रेलवे पाउच होते हैं ना, ऐसे
हाँ.
फाड़ के प्लास्टिक का टेस्ट आता है जिससे.
Oh,
That's
man.
what you have to serve water. in.
उसमें
That's how
तो-
पहले तो उसमें ही मिलता
वही
था,
होता
वैसे
था
टाइप का ही
पहले.
था पहले तो.
I used to love drinking water from that as a kid. It used to feel special. I
Yeah.
didn't know I'm eating plastic.
Oh man,
Microplastics in your body and you're always going to remain childless by the way.
Yeah.
Anirban, you can have as much unless you're planning
वो
one
तो
more.
macro है dude, वो पूरा खा रहे हैं.
no, this pouch made me not thirsty.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, no problem.
But I think being childless is good for cricket. What do you think?
Yes, totally.
Yeah.
One less responsibility.
Wait, who's a famous cricketer who became bad after having a child? Who are you trying to suggest?
Let's
Vijay?
think. Let's.
This is cricket's version of the Bollywood heroine. Career going down.
Career going down.
शादी के बाद क्या हो गया?
I mean, what is certain is कि if you get married and have a child, then if you play bad, then everyone will India में they will blame your family for
Yeah,
going
yeah.
bad. They don't
Yeah,
blame
online,
you.
Remember the time when Sunil Gavaskar was saying that Virat has had no practice during COVID. Anushka was bowling to him.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
Sunil Gavaskar, unfiltered.
Unfiltered podcast by Sunil Gavaskar.
Sunil Gavaskar like that.
Samdesh भैया हटिए.
He's straightforward. He's
Yeah,
बोल देता है.
that era everybody looked like कि 2-3 बच्चा करके फिर उन लोग डेब्यू किए हैं.
Exactly.
Maybe because of the attire or the
Yeah.
uniform.
They
yeah.
just look dad boards. Everyone
Yeah.
had a dad board from beginning. only.
Sunil Gavaskar को देख के लगता है he follows up on his pension money like with the BCCI like ये contract तो ठीक है test के pension कब आने वाले हैं.
So you've been to many Eden Gardens games, and do you know how many on average? Do you know how many times you've been to games, like India games or IPL?
I think from 1994 to I think 2004.
Oh,
Every match.
Really?
Yeah.
even the famous test match.
Of course.
You were there?
I was there on day 1 and day 5.
Oh,
Yeah.
Dude.
how oh
Yeah.
man.
That's the greatest. That's the match that like made me really get into
Yeah,
cricket.
That is the that I mean I was
Greatest test
still too
match.
young for it.
Yeah.
I was like what 8-7 years old.
Yeah.
No wait, 8 years old. But yeah, but I mean of course उसके बाद you know the context
Wait,
to it.
Kolkata was 281, right? That was
Yeah,
the
yeah,
281
yeah.
and yeah, Dravids
That
also.
and
was,
Bajji hat trick.
Bhaji
हाँ.
hat-trick I
Where it
saw
was
on
not
day-
out.
जिसमें
one of
कितने
the
not
ones.
out?
थोड़ा उसमें.
कौन सा वाला not out था?
I think first was out.
First was
yeah.
Ponting.
Yeah.
Ponting was so clueless.
Yeah.
I think in the 6 matches he
Yeah.
scored 8 runs or
Yeah.
something.
I loved it. Ponting was angry.
Yeah.
कुछ
And
नहीं हो रहा था
when
उससे.
Ponting would get out, he wouldn't even protest. Like, yeah, this is what life is. You just go away. Gilchrist was definitely not out.
Yeah.
Pitched way outside.
Yeah,
leg
yeah,
stump.
exactly.
But
I
a
was
field
like,
में.
thank God this was before DRS.
But then Sadgopan
Umpire saw the bottles coming, so if they out they do.
Sadgopan Ramesh. I forgot.
Ramesh took that hat-trick catch.
Yeah.
That was very good.
That was Steve Waugh, what?
That was Shane
Right.
Warne.
Shane
That was
Warne.
Shane
Sorry, 1 second.
Steve was scored
Billu.
100.
Oh yeah. Billy Bowden has made her appearance in a smashing way.
Now that we mention umpires,
This is figuratively what she's doing.
Oh,
She's
Chashma.
destroying our podcast. She just knocked down the whole thing. बैठ जा भाई, photo ले ले, photo op.
I think it's the glasses that she went after.
Now she's
but
going
no.
for the camera.
What a photo op fucking like.
Man, you went for the greatest, one of the greatest games ever. I think only the GABA test I can remember I could put in the same category as
Yeah,
that
very
test for
few
India.
matches
Yeah.
in that category. I was there on day one. My final exams were going on,
Acha.
and day one was I think a weekend. We watched that match. Then two mein to we were like, okay, this game is over.
Yeah.
3 maybe also it was like nothing great.
Yeah.
4 is when the whole thing changed. They batted the whole
Yeah, the
day.
whole day.
And so then 5th day I had an exam from 8:30 to 10:30. I remember.
Oh.
So my dad picked me up at 10:30 and then we went to the stadium. And when I went there, the whole innings, like Australia innings, I saw basically.
Okay.
Nice.
So
Wait, so
We had to get 10 wickets on that day.
yeah, they had to get 10 wickets.
Did we bat at all on day 5?
Yes, yes, we did. We did
Ah.
starting में we did. Then 3 wickets we got quite early.
Okay.
Acha.
And then I think Hayden got stuck in. वो out नहीं हो रहा था.
Dude, he used to
Like
destroy us,
Australia,
dude.
everyone
Hayden used to kill
proper.
us.
But wait, Hayden was opening then?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Hayden and Slater.
Okay.
And
So Hayden
oh.
stuck. Like we lost 3 wickets, but not Hayden. Oh,
then
nice.
then
Okay.
7 wickets after lunch.
Yeah, the classic post lunch and
Ah,
tea.
don't
Tea is where we go crazy. चाय पी के माता चढ़ जाती है.
गांगुली के बारे में सब मेरे को यही पता है कि वो सब लोग बोलते हैं कि ये चाय पीता था बहुत ज्यादा नेट्स के
गांगुली-
बाजू में बैठ के छतरी लगा के
ये वो गांगुली को चाय पीते हुए देखा है मैं नेट्स के बाजू में
हाँ।
जब वो नेट मेरा था. I have literally seen this.
What?
Yeah.
It's like you caught a fish in the net, but that fish is Dada.
So Ganguly. So I played inside Eden Gardens for about 9 to 10 months.
Okay.
Like
Wow.
1 year I had at Eden Gardens.
Huh.
I was in the under 14 team.
Okay.
I was in the top 36, so I didn't make the 11 or anything, but I was part of the group. 36
Nice.
players were selected.
This is
So
under what?
under 14.
Under 14.
I was 12.
Okay.
Okay. And so इसका selection होता है. There is a CAB
Under
tournament.
12, your age or Rashid Khan age?
No, my age, Bengali age. Very proper with paperwork.
बायोमेट्रिक लो इसका चेक करो एक बार.
Thumbprint. वो भी लाल इंक में. Okay, so wait, this was Bengal के लिए.
Bengal under
Okay.
14s, top 36. So this team was being prepared for the next season.
Okay.
So 36 people, they tried out for a year. We used to practice inside Eden Gardens.
Wow.
Okay, Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesdays. So Saturday, Sunday, I used to go like at 6:30 in the morning, play, and then they used to give us like breakfast and all that. Wednesday was the coolest because Wednesday practice was at 1. So I would literally walk out of school. Okay, in the half time. I would
Nice.
walk out of school, and by then everybody knew कि he's going to Eden Gardens.
Oh, that is
Oh
like
यार
the
क्या
popular
jealous हुए ये बच्चे यार.
For 1 year, that flex was insane.
Were you sitting in class fully padded up? This is a badass. Adjusting up.
Yeah, ma'am, you can hit me on my hand. No problem.
Wearing gloves.
मैं तो ऐसे ही सोचता था कॉलेज में. I was in a band. I used to be like मैं गिटार हाथ में लेके बैठता हूँ. अभी बुलाएंगे मेरे को.
Anirban, you were you in a boys' school or co-ed school?
Co-ed school.
Co-ed school. Oh.
Oh, फिर तो और भी.
Yes.
Yeah.
Helped me a lot. And then
No wonder you married so early in life. Like peaked very early, you know.
Yeah.
क्या एज पे थी तेरी शादी?
24.
Oh shit.
Holy
और अभी
shit.
तो कितने साल का है?
अभी 36.
24 पे शादी. That is like earlier than Rashid Khan. I don't know.
Pretty long career, man. Marriage career is going strong.
So
तो उस टाइम पे
हाँ.
like we used to like our nets was in the indoor stadium. There is an indoor stadium inside Eden Gardens.
Oh wow.
एंड उधर हम लोग नेट्स करते थे एंड वो इंडोर स्टेडियम का फर्स्ट फ्लोर में जिम था एंड सौरव गांगुली वाज इंडिया कैप्टन दैट टाइम ही जस्ट बिकेम इंडिया कैप्टन दिस वाज ईयर 2000 एंड सो ही यूज्ड टू कम एंड डू द जिम अपस्टेयर्स सो ही न्यू दैट ये बच्चे लोग नीचे खेल रहे हैं एंड समटाइम्स ही वुड कम एंड टॉक विद आवर कोचेस समटाइम्स वुड जस्ट वॉच लाइक यू नो ही डिडंट रियली वॉच दैट मच in the indoor stadium, but some days we would be like at the Eden Gardens like doing fielding practice or playing like a practice game and I have often seen like Ganguly come and वो छतरी के नीचे coaches के साथ बैठ के चाय पी रहे हैं and हम लोग के matches भी जिस tournament से I got selected that tournament also happened in Eden Gardens so the like, Eden Gardens was divided into 3 grounds like oval मैदान में जैसे होता है ना different grounds
different pitches
तो सब junior cricket हो रहा था तो small grounds तो मैं बहुत धोया था एक मैच में जिसकी वजह से मैं select हुआ था तो he used to often come and just like be on the sidelines
have you talked has he talked to you ever
no we have not had that proximity
I think he thought you're a threat
by the way Ganguly has now moved into my neighborhood he's my next door neighbor now in Calcutta
oh wow
yeah so he's building his house
have you worked up in life or he's worked down
I think he's worked down
after the heart attack
I think सफोला ब्रांड वर्क बंद हो गया
तो अभी पता है क्या हो रहा है तो हम लोग के इट्स अ डेड एंड ओके एंड आवर हाउस इज टुवर्ड्स द एंड उसके बाद भी 2-3 लाइक प्लॉट्स है तो ही इज लाइक बॉट I think a property there and he's redoing the place so my father when he's doing his morning walk on the terrace he gives me construction updates कि बन गया first floor बन गया second floor बन गया we are all waiting with bated breath कि maybe if Ganguly comes to our lane the water logging will be solved
100% it will be the most well watered area
so sad that is what is getting
only
out.
one guy can solve this
you know the construction is done जब एक छतरी लगाया on the roof and गांगुली का चाय ready अरे बाप रे shit
इधर आ
Billy Bowden is on the attack again.
Billy Bowden
उसको टच मत कर छोड़
okay touch
yeah Billy Bowden
basically वो तेरा हाथ हिल रहा है ना
yeah.
तो वो उसको अटैक करेगी
okay
that's her vibe
now
अभी तो देखो
कुछ नहीं हिल रहा है अब क्यों कर रही है
वो दे यार उसको चूहा उसका चूहा का है
हाँ अंतरिक्ष प्लीज
अंतरिक्ष चूहा देखा उसको
our crocodile hunter
चूहा
अंतरिक्ष
दे दे उसको अंतरिक्ष के 2 क्रेडिट्स है
Steve Irwin please help us out अरे बेंचो
oh close
सब हमारा साउंड सिस्टम को फक करने आई बिली बाउडन तेरे कॉफी क्या है तेरा भाई नहीं
तेरा नहीं उसका
योर कॉफी बी केयरफुल मैन शी इज डन सो वेल सो फार दो
सॉरी yeah she's behaved herself
doing pretty well so far pre-shoot she attacked Anirban 50 times already
but okay chal I have a question for you now that you watched 96 also live 96 or 2003 what is a bigger heartbreak for you
oh my god
like 2003 जैसे मेरे लिए था of course और 2000 more than 2023
I think I would say 96 because it was at home
okay
and following the like match it was like it was a big deal I remember like you know Will's World Cup and like you know that was very special like the first big event of India and I think 2003 mein I would say that it was a heartbreak but I think we did well to finish second
we were outplayed by the best one of the best teams of all time
exactly
that was like every player was a top notch player
and
without Shane Warne also by the way
I think for me also 96 because my only wish was ki Nayan Mongia ko ek world cup that was the only chance
this time for Nayan
a keeper with a what was his batting average was like 12 or something I don't know like every time I remember watching कि नायन मुंगिया बैटिंग में आया तो खत्म dude game is over and our tail
same I used to feel about Hemang Badani
भाई वो sweep अच्छा
हाँ बड़ा अच्छा
I like
South Africa में sweep मार रहा है bouncy wickets पे
96 was very special in like so many ways I remember like all the jerseys were so good okay I loved it इसमें से एक jersey even I think 99 का jerseys also
the yellow some
full ऐसा going down and everything
96 jerseys were there and then like the team also that 96 का Tendulkar free flowing Tendulkar like that innings in Wankhede, where
Yeah.
like that straight drives. Oh my
That
God!
was
Like
young
as
Tendulkar,
straight,
just
young
fearless Tendulkar.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
childless Tendulkar.
I think it's all about, this episode is about not, I think I have good future in cricket. So does Shamik.
childless Tendulkar.
Childless
That
Tendulkar.
was his peak.
Was he childless though?
I'm
Actually,
sure-
yeah.
I think so.
I mean, as far not at least.
Guys,
he
it's
didn't
a
have-
joke. If it's not factual, it's a joke. But if it's a fact, then it's a great
Matlab,
joke.
he didn't have officially any kids at that point. This much to we know.
Yeah.
Yeah, even though like 2003 was like
It was a dry time, desert storm it was.
Saurav Ganguly was captain
Yeah.
and वो सब भी सही था but थोड़ा 2003 में थोड़ा scam भी था like we played Kenya in the semis.
That's where Ganguly and Dravid scored some 300 together.
Ganguly scored 3 centuries in 2003 World Cup. 2 were against
Kenya.
Kenya.
And when he wore, I think someone else's shoes or something, there was something where he said कि मेरा जूता गया and मैंने कोई और जूता पहना तो मेरा superstition बन गया किसी
Oh.
something like that had happened, I remember.
Man, I just remember Dravid scored 140 something and he had scored 180.
No, that was in 99.
Oh, that was 99?
That was Taunton.
Yeah, Taunton.
Yeah,
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 I'm talking about that one, sorry.
Ah,
where they both scored.
That was insane.
Yeah. And I was like, even here, Dravid gets overshadowed.
Yeah,
because
in
some-
the
That's
very-
how I, yeah.
Yeah.
In the very next match, it was against Kenya where Tendulkar came back after his father
Father
passed
said and
away
yeah.
and scored a big 100. Usme
Yeah.
bhi Dravid scored a century overshadowed. Back to back overshadowed.
no one remembers.
जैसे मैं जा रहा हूँ बच्चे करने. No one's
Yeah,
appreciating
but
my
he
greatness.
doesn't complain like our current coach of Indian team about being overshadowed.
Oh yeah, what a drastic step, man, from a guy who wants no credit
Bolna, bhai.
to someone who's like, bhai, 97 बहुत important. 100 से ज़्यादा. Some 97.
So when did you when did cricket stop for you? Like when did you realize or what happened?
It's back now.
Yes, I'm back. I'm
Yeah, we
2 days
talked-
back we played.
Comedians Cricket League. I've been
Getting to that. Getting to
Second
that.
innings.
I've been preparing for this for way too long. From the 90s, I've been preparing for this. I think cricket stopped when, so I didn't make the final like 14 or 16.
Okay.
So then I went back to the circuit
Hmm.
and tried to basically get selected again, either from under 14, I still had a couple of years, or I was trying for under 16. In fact, like I played the CAB tournament for under 16 and I scored like I bowled and batted much better than the tournament I got selected in.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, all the selectors saw me like I scored like big 90s and 80s and then like
How many over matches were these?
25 overs was under 14 or I think 20 overs and under 16 was 40 overs.
But I've also played 35 over matches.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So
But now, by the way, सब कुछ T20 हो गया
Of
है.
course.
Dude, so this is like
Yeah.
when I was practicing, like जब मैं छोटा था, the whole system was set up for test cricket, and dude, I can't believe it. Then मैं एक बॉल अगर मैं ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर like you know ऐसे अपिश खेलता था, तो मेरे को नेट से निकाल देता था.
Oh
Wow, you're not supposed to go for it.
निकाल देता था. Like they're like you are out. Like you again introspect and play next week. And I remember in Eden Gardens, so when I got selected,
Yeah.
then I got selected for batting, and then they stopped giving me batting because I was like not very defensive player. Like club cricket, I used to like open, and I was like little bit of a slasher,
Yeah.
and like you know I would like play my and
Unconventional.
unconventional. I would like also have this kida, like you know us time pe though, like nobody was like really applying their minds, we were just playing for fun.
Correct.
So my thing was that we used to go and play in almost like every district of Bengal, and कुछ जगह में we used to play बड़ों के grounds में, ठीक है, जहाँ पे like under 19s हो रहा है, under 16 हो रहा है, तो as like an 11-year-old 12-year-old 10-year-old I used to have this like challenge to myself and my teammates कि इस ground में छक्का मारना है, मैच पकड़ है, out हो गया.
This is what I was wondering. Because that's a different feeling, clearing that boundary.
So I remember some of the big grounds जहाँ पे मैं 6 मारा, तो मैं वो attitude से फिर ईडन गार्डन्स में बैटिंग करने गया, इंडोर स्टेडियम में, उधर ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर बॉल, मतलब you cannot touch it. You just cannot touch it. They are training you for test match.
Eden Gardens, the place where Ganguly, who's called the god of offside.
Yes.
Exactly.
I think he had to practice elsewhere. उधर तो allowed नहीं था.
Offside में atheist होना पड़ेगा. There is no God. There is no god yet.
वो ईडन गार्डन से निकल के चुपके से मोहन बागान स्टेडियम में जाके क्योंकि इधर
but maybe गांगुली ने ये कराया कि मैं गॉड ऑफ ऑफसाइड हूँ,
कोई और
थ्रेड ना और नहीं.
Dude, but this thing of clearing the grounds, right? It's great because अभी Bangalore में if you're walking in Residency Road and all, people will tell you who are from Bangalore, like, you know, over here Robin Uthappa ने वहाँ से 6 यहाँ तक मारा था and all, like it hit a car, exaggerate.
ये तो बॉम्बे में भी बोलते हैं कि वो ओवल मैदान से there's this राजाबाई टावर, वो इंडिया बॉम्बे का बिग बेन, कि ये तोड़ दिया इन लोग ने, क्या घड़ी उसका ऊपर का. रवि शास्त्री ने भी तोड़ा है, सचिन ने भी तोड़ा है,
तोड़ने के
सबने तोड़ा है. वो घड़ी उधर इतनी दूर है.
कुछ exaggerate भी करते हैं, you know, like near Chinnaswamy there's a big apartments now, one single tower, and you can see it from Chinnaswamy, and it's fucking far, it just looks close.
Yeah, वो तो दिखता है.
And Sachin को उसमें एक फ्लैट दिया है उन्होंने. People are like यहाँ तक मारा था तो इधर ऐसे थोड़ी होता है dude, you can't claim land but
वैसे तो फिर क्रिस गेल को काफी बैंगलोर मिलना चाहिए.
Chris Gayle, मैंने RCB when he used to play, I saw him break like the stand 3 places में. He broke the sheet, the whatever the sheets.
Chris Gayle is Bangalore's biggest builder. He has too many flats.
He destroyed
Lodha Mr. Universal.
लोधा फेंक के मारता था वो.
उस टाइम पे
Lodha
like उस टाइम पे I used to like find it very suffocating, but I knew कि I am like not good enough at that level, at that thing, because वो temperament नहीं है, patience नहीं है. Cricket is so much more than just skill. And I was like so exposed when I was in that team.
But you probably didn't know T20 era.
Of course not.
Otherwise you would have
No way to find out. और मेरे को याद है मेरे कोच का नाम राजा मुखर्जी था, and वो मेरे को मतलब धक्का मार के निकलता था कि ठीक निकलो यहाँ से. And then so they made me.
उसने कोई प्रोड्यूस किया टैलेंट मेजर राजा मुखर्जी ने?
वो बहुत बंगाल प्लेयर्स का मेंटोर है.
Okay.
राजा मुखर्जी और राजू मुखर्जी, they were like 2 very famous coaches.
What?
like Thompson and Thompson. Raja and Raju.
And then there was another coach called Satyendra Singh. He was the bowling coach, and so he then took me. I think उसको खराब लगा कि बेचारे को ऐसे धक्का मारे, तो वो मेरे को बोला कि तू bowling कर. And
और तुम बीमर फेंकने लगा.
तो मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ. I think like very rare occurrence where I got selected in Bengal under 14 as a batsman. I came out as a bowler.
You have opposite of Sachin career.
Even Steve Smith का ऐसे कुछ हुआ था उल्टा.
हाँ, Steve Smith का भी उल्टा हुआ था.
तो सत्येंद्र सिंह बोला कि तेरा एक नेचुरल एक्शन में इन स्विंग बहुत होता है, तो तू ये करो. हम लोग का जो टॉप बैट्समैन थे उस ग्रुप में सारे लेफ्ट हैंडर्स था, तो मेरे से वो फुल बॉलिंग करा था. मेड मी अ रियली लाइक यू नो गुड बॉलर. आई अंडरस्टूड द बेसिक्स. मेरा एक्शन वैक्शन ठीक किया, तो फिर मैं बाहर आया आफ्टर गेटिंग ड्रॉप. एंड so now I came out as all-rounder. So in the CAB tournament, I did as much as I could. Okay, like big scores, 3 wickets in every match. I used to open the bowling and batting.
Wow.
As like
more than Shivam Dube already.
Under 16, I'm like 13 maybe. Okay. And then they did not select me because obviously they know me inside out. Like they've seen me like for a year.
They know your temperament.
Yeah. They know this guy is just here to flex. इसको बस स्कूल से निकलना है जो उसको.
But wicket ले रहा है और रन बना रहा है, तो फ्लेक्स क्यों नहीं कर रहे यार? हाँ, हार्दिक पांड्या उड़ना वो करियर if he was born in Calcutta.
And used to come home every day and be like आज मैं करके
मैं full try किया. Then I got like I didn't get selected, and that's when I said कि okay now it's a long way back to get back in like you know that level. Then I have to like play second division, first division, and that time like I was getting interested in like football and girls. So like, like a lot of things.
Again opposite of Dada career, where Dada
फुटबॉल से इधर आया कि फुटबॉल में टी ब्रेक नहीं होता.
मैं फिर बहुत फुटबॉल खेला मैं इसके बाद.
अच्छा, you got into football after all of that?
Yes, I got into football when I was I think 13.
So you thought like girls and football had a connection, that's why you got into football? ऐसा कुछ था?
No, it's just coincidence.
And it's in Calcutta.
Puberty, coincidence, like, you know, a lot of things have come together. I think I like pre-puberty cricketer is better.
So childless and pre-puberty तक पहुंच गए. I think we are pretty late for cricket now.
I remember when we in our apartments used to play cricket, and one day I was like, because we would hit it outside. and if you hit it, it used to fall in a drain.
Yeah, same here.
So we had to climb the fence, bring the ball. इतना time waste था उसमें कि मैं
CrossFit भी हो गया ये तो भाई.
नहीं, मैं बोला इसलिए मैं फुटबॉल खेलने लगा. ये सब नहीं करना है मेरे को.
Football much better.
फुटबॉल अनिर्बान बहुत ही अच्छा. By the way, अनिर्बान सब स्पोर्ट में अच्छा. He's also, हमने बोला नहीं अब तक, he's a Liverpool fan.
That's right.
KKR fan.
Yes.
ठीक है. और इसने फुटबॉल में एक बार मैं खेला है टर्फ पे. लकीली मैंने चश्मा निकाल के कीपिंग कर रहा था जब मैं बहुत गंदा हूँ फुटबॉल में. मेरी नाक तोड़ दी इसने. और ये इतना फास्ट है ये.
I don't think I've ever hit a ball as hard as nailed it. The one I hit in his nose.
Dude, it was insane.
Shit,
dude,
man, I wish we had footage of this. Can we recreate it and put it?
It's in my subconscious for sure. I remember it.
Was it a penalty or just open?
No. Normal game was going on. Oh man, sweet strike.
We were playing
I don't know what
five-a-side.
frustration he had that day.
But you saved it, right?
I saved, matlab my nose saved it. I didn't do any.
Lev Yashin award of the year.
It was that moment. ये तो सीधा आने वाली है from Chakde.
Life में नहीं मारा मैं.
Oh man, awesome.
Oh, game.
Dude.
Concussion substitute in football.
Oh,
that was
man.
crazy. But he's good. He's an above average sports person.
Yeah, he's a sportsman.
At every, इसने मेरे TT में खत्म कर दिया. We used to work at Hotstar on a project. उधर मैं इससे एक बार नहीं जीता. ठीक है. इसने मेरे को हरा दिया. फुटबॉल में मेरी नाक तोड़ दी. ठीक है.
You've been trying to find a sport where you can beat him.
Luckily now in this cricket tournament, Anirban and I are in the same team.
Yeah.
Like, I'm actually just
सही है.
happy about that.
We should talk about that. This is a good segue into that. By the time this comes out, this said tournament, the Comedians Cricket League, second year.
Anirban and I are in Mumbai.
Yeah, this will be complete. It would have concluded. So you would know the results already. If you don't know, you can go watch it right now. And now we're going to predict what is going to happen.
I'll tell you, I'll predict by the time this
one thing.
light just changed.
Oh, this prediction lights, guys. We have a new
Did Billy
theme.
Bowden do that or did you do that? अरे भाई निकल यहाँ से. Lighting
चलेगा
change
ये
करा
तो.
दी.
ये तो अच्छा लगेगा. Prediction lights are good actually. We should change.
Wow, sunset setting क्यों करा है भाई?
Sundowner.
हाँ, sorry. Yeah, you were saying Anirban.
The prediction is very clear. By the time this podcast comes out, we are all injured.
Yeah.
Suddenly you'll see comics move a little weirdly on stage.
Time for chess. Comedians on board. दिमाग use करके खेलेंगे.
I was watching the previous match.
Yeah,
you guys had it with Delhi.
Yeah.
Mumbai versus Delhi with you guys playing. And Anirban had a great innings. Okay, he scored like some 17 or something out of like some 20.
कैसे बोला है? Great innings फिर 17 बोला.
Dude, it was a low scoring game.
Yeah. It was a very high scoring game. 116 in 10 overs.
One rule in cricket is 40 plus नहीं मार तो मत बोलना.
No. But once if you're actually truly playing cricket, you know the value of 17 runs. How tough 17. It is to score 17.
So very well. So he comes, I think on the second, his second ball, Anirban scores like an awesome 4.
Yeah, we talked about that.
And the second he scores at 4, and he starts adjusting his FD guard. So to see that touching himself because
इतना अच्छा लगा कब.
I'll tell you, oh man, good you caught it. Actually not good. I went to Chandigarh so underprepared that I did not have an athletic supporter. I did not even have shoes or socks. Okay, so I took socks from somebody. I took shoes from you. I think.
अभी भी मेरा जूता फटा हुआ है. अब तक पड़ा है अंदर.
So I like my abdomen guard situation was really bad because it was in my regular underwear. So every time, so it's either abdomen guard in place or footwork. You choose one. So if I show footwork, then it's all gone.
It's like you that's the reading of the ball. You're like, this one I can go for it.
Dude, if like don't watch it, but I just remember that game. I remember very clearly that I was most of the time I was just like figuring out my abdomen guard. Is it in position? One time it was opposite. Like ball will get sucked in.
It was a supporter for the ball.
It was like wicket keeper का glove था पैंट में.
It was so bad.
If you edge that and it gets caught there, are you
Dude,
caught? Are you out?
This is a great tip for batters. Dude, just distract yourself from the game by thinking about abdomen guard.
And this one time
Caught
I
and
remember,
bat.
one time I remember, I took a single and the abdomen guard went haywire. And then thankfully there was an overthrow, so I completed second run. It was all right there.
As long as it's like when you're back on strike, guard knows that.
Leg stump guard.
Artificial intelligence. Smart guard.
Oh man.
SG or SS brand plugin.
See, this is a side of cricket we rarely see.
Yeah.
You know?
And in that match, I remember Harsh Gujral was bowling, and he bowled one ball which like bounced a couple of times. I hit that for a 6, and in that same action, I got injured. So in the same ball, it's a 6, and I'm lying flat. And like it feels that I'm about to die.
Oh my God.
And like all the Delhi guys have come in, all the Mumbai people have come in, and I'm like, just take me out.
I came out to bat after you.
Oh my
I'm like,
God.
just help me.
Retire
Just help
out.
me. Like I need support to go out.
Fuck, dude. That's the beauty of cricket, man. The ups and downs.
What's the biggest injury you guys have gotten playing cricket?
Oh.
I have one right now.
Oh yeah, he just
Not an
showed us.
injury,
Okay,
but
okay.
like the
Shivankit.
नेट्स में मेरे को बॉल
Yeah,
लगी.
I've had.
एक्चुअली पता है मेरे को
definitely.
ये थाई का मेरा कुछ तो इशू है क्योंकि मैं जब फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने लाइफ में एक ही बार आज तक हाफ सेंचुरी मारी है
हाँ.
उसमें मैं 40s में था और मैंने थाई गार्ड निकाला
हाँ.
और शिवाजी पार्क ठीक है
ओह.
तो वहां से बॉल आके मेरे थाई पे लगी है दूसरे मैच
दूसरे
की
मैच से
और मैं वहां पे लेट गया हूँ अबे ये क्या आ गया है
Oh my God.
Dude, I can remember.
and this is while me running between the wickets so imagine dude like
Dude, only in Indian cricket you get that कि तुम ऐसे खेल रहे हो एक गेम ऐसे भी चल रहा है बीच में.
भाई कितना उधर तो सच में मेरी अभी भी मैंने रिसेंट लाइक 2 साल पहले वहां पे एक मैच खेली और मेरी फट रही थी
हाँ.
क्योंकि मैं इतना क्लोज था मतलब मैं ऐसे ऑलमोस्ट लाइक ऐसा सिली पॉइंट था दूसरे मैच के लिए और मेरी टीम का लॉन्ग ऑन था.
Man, cricket injury क्या हुआ है? I think my worst injury, I mean sorry to change sport, but injury है football में ही हुआ है कि we were both going for the ball and I reached it first and I just moved it to the left and this guy had swung his foot fully और वो मेरे right in my private पूरे पैर से मारा है मेरे को and yeah. Yeah, I was like, I think उस situation में abdomen guard was it would be like this is out of syllabus नहीं कर पाएंगे and yeah, it was a very memorable hit I remember because
did he get any red card?
अरे हमारे उधर क्या बॉल उसी का था और मेरा भी अभी उसी का था. It was a terrible injury and I remember once causing an injury also. It was not like she is fine. So we were playing football.
What?
And there's a basketball ring also next to where we played football. And this girl was alone, she was playing and she was just taking shots. And this guy passed it to me and I volleyed it. And it's kind of like what you said. I've never connected better,
yeah.
but the direction was all wrong. Perfect sweet spot volley. And she had just shot the ball. And I remember everybody like laughed and I was obviously not laughing. She took the basketball shot. My football came and hit her, and then the basketball fell out. It was 1-2 punch, and she was on the ground, and I was like.
And then did you go kick her rule of 3?
It was really. I mean, in retrospect, she was fine, and she's a friend. I went to her, and she's fine.
You became friends after that?
No, we were friends already, and it was unbelievable. We can laugh about it now because she was not injured, but it was like, bam, bam.
Oh my God.
This is like the good version of कुछ कुछ होता है. We all became friends.
Friendship band दिया मैं उसको उसके बाद. What about you? Had any worse injury than this one?
ये वाला तो अभी के लिए है. Injuries I've had many, but none of them are sports injuries. Like as in I've had like gym injuries a lot, like a shoulder. I've had a slip disc as well.
Oh God!
I've had multiple injuries. I go to a sports physio. My lifestyle is that of an athlete, except my body. It's really sad. Like I know all body parts. I know like your digiti. This finger is called digiti minimi, ठीक है? And then I know trapezius.
Yeah,
and
trapezoid.
Yeah, like Ceratus. Like I know all these.
You know all the ones which get injured.
Yeah.
Metatarsal.
David Beckham made that famous.
Gluteus minimus.
Maximus is ass, right?
Yeah.
And what is minimus?
मिनिमस भी आजू बाजू में ही है. बताओ कोई फिजियो अगर तुम देख रहे हो तो पहली बात क्यों देख रहे हो हमारा पॉडकास्ट? You have people.
Or is it just छोटा है तो minimus बोलते हैं?
Gluteus maximus gets you a lot of Maximus likes on Instagram.
Oh, nice.
I think your ass and then maybe one, I don't know.
हो गया भाई, आज
Google कर
टॉपिक
लेंगे.
खत्म. तू बता अभी क्या होगा गेम में?
अभी हाँ तो अभी हम लोग ने वैसे प्रैक्टिस की है वैसे अनिर्बान
3
के
teams
साथ.
are there: Mumbai, Chandigarh, and Delhi, Chandigarh.
हाँ.
So last time Mumbai was champions.
Yes. Last time Mumbai was like full Lagan team. We went to Chandigarh. We didn't have 11 players. Like I went without shoes. There were 4 people.
People got injured in the nets.
People got injured in the nets. People got injured while fielding. every like 2 hours there was one elimination.
It was like LOC the movie.
full and then
और WWE Royal Rumble एक बार आ रहा है.
I mean,
that's a compliment.
it's probably also in the match you didn't see.
Also, I think maybe the ball is a little unpredictable, or the ground.
No.
The ball is
यहाँ पे feel कर रहे हैं, ball यहाँ से जा रहा है.
अरे वो हम लोग का
वहाँ
प्रॉब्लम
पे
है.
फील्ड नहीं करना.
और अनिर्बान ने बाय द वे एक बहुत अच्छा ओवर डाला, लेकिन उसके बाद मैंने ऐसे अनिर्बान को कभी नहीं देखा है बिकॉज वो सांस नहीं ले पा रहा था. वो ओवर डालने के बाद इज लाइक हाँ हो गया बट
I was really over, and we were the team of fathers.
वी वर द टीम ऑफ
This is what we spoke about. You
fathers and bald people.
you broke the rule, dude. Childless cricket.
Yeah,
के बाद.
that's but somehow we won. Okay, like these guys.
Yeah.
Like I was not in the final. We
He had a
won.
corporate show.
Yeah, we won against Chandigarh. Because we were losing, like the first match we were losing completely. We won because Manpreet Singh, like gave us a gift of an over.
Yeah.
And Saurabh Pant was there.
Which match is not there online.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like
We got some
Kapil Dev का-
15 wides or something. We
It's
got.
like Kapil Dev versus Zimbabwe. उसका telecast नहीं हुआ है.
हाँ,
किसी को
it's
पता
you
नहीं.
had to be
Yeah.
there. You had to be there. You were there in the end, no? In
I
that
was
match.
there. No, नहीं. I got मेरे को रन आउट दिया और मैं नहीं था और मैंने अंपायर को बोला कि सर आप चेक करा लो क्योंकि कैमरा भी है. उसने नहीं किया चेक. मैं बोला
इस बार है DRS.
इस बार है. मैंने उसको बोला कि मैं खुद वॉकआउट करता भाई बट मैं नहीं हूँ रन आउट. आप चेक कर लो एक बार.
But हाँ, तू एक crucial time पे out हुआ था ना?
मतलब हाँ मैं 2 रन बनाए थे जस्ट मैं बट हाँ मतलब मैं टिकता तो
वो last में एक चौका कौन मारा था? बहुत crucial.
पीयूष और आई रिमेम्बर पीयूष एंड सौरभ वर देयर टिल द
Saurabh Pant just पहले out हुआ था. Like Saurabh, he carried his
Okay.
bat through almost. Like last में out हुआ था. Like he was one of the reasons we won. So somehow losing match we won.
Yeah.
Then the next match was against Delhi.
Yeah.
And Delhi before that Delhi Chandigarh match में Delhi had lost.
Delhi
Yeah.
had lost, so Delhi were desperate against us,
They won.
and we were a much better team, objectively much better team.
Yeah.
And then so we had to like do some scam. So what we did was like,
You dropped in a pitch or what?
no, so we were like, maximum Delhi can do is they can win. So it comes to net run rate for all 3 because other 2 teams have won. So Munawar was our captain, and we were planning to bat second in general in like that tournament. And Munawar went for the toss, and then somebody came from the crowd and told us that अरे net run rate के लिए you bat first, bat them out of the game, like
ओ ये मेरे को भी पता नहीं.
हाँ, so
ये
Munawar
क्या
had
बोला?
already gone for the toss,
Oh.
and उसके बाद हम लोग चिल्ला रहे उस पे कि Munawar batting, and पुनीत पानिया वो injured होके गया उसको personal message देने.
वो note दिया जैसे मार्क बाउचर को दिया था वो team में.
And then Munawar जो toss जीता वो confuse हो गया क्योंकि हम लोग इतना कुछ बोला था तो हम लोग की तरफ देखा भी, and we were all like bat. So we batted. Somehow we had a decent score.
Yeah.
Somehow no, thanks to Harsh Gujral.
Harsh Gujral and
yeah.
हाँ
116 बनाया हमने उसमें.
unreal. 10 ओवर में 116 कैसे बना
That's
कोई
a
आइडिया
winning
नहीं है.
याद ही नहीं हम लोग को. बट एक मुझे याद है कि दिस इज द मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ बॉल्स टेकन. लाइक एक पॉइंट था वो ओवर में कि कुछ 6 बॉल या 5 बॉल तक फ्री हिट चल रहा था.
हाँ, बहुत लंबा ओवर था, बहुत लंबा.
It's a world record. Like longest free hit
निशांत वाज ऑन द बैटिंग एंड
निशांत तनवर अच्छा खेला था.
3 बाउंड्री उसने मारा और मैंने उसको-
चार
हाँ और
एक ओवर में 4 बाउंड्री.
Oh, but this is the game where Rohit Singh hit your
then chase करने आया रोहित सिंह
7.1 में
116 का टारगेट. ही मेड इट सीम लाइक 16. वो इतना मारा लाइक ओ माय गॉड.
अभी भी ट्रॉमा है मुझे उसका.
like we just मतलब they had to reach the target in like 6 overs.
नहीं 7.1 में
हाँ.
if वो जीत जाते तो हम आउट हो जाते
And I think-
and 8.1 में के अंडर वो जीतते तो
चंडीगढ़ out हो जाता.
चंडीगढ़ आउट हो
हाँ,
जाता.
but तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि 8.2 में वो टारगेट
हाँ like 8.5 टाइप तक वो जो लोग
उसमें मतलब ऐसे 5-6 बॉल की वजह से हम लोग इन था. एंड लाइक आई वाज टेलिंग हिम दिस, इट वाज लाइक फॉर अस इट वाज डे लाइट रॉबरी अंडर फ्लड लाइट. somehow we crossed the line. and made the
Amazing.
ball.
It was so thrilling, you know, not the way you expected.
bro
और
like
उसके बाद real stuff तो happened after the game. वो नहीं
वो
बोलेंगे
तो
अभी.
वो भी बोल सकते क्या है यार, बोलने में तो कुछ भी बोल सकते. हमें पैसे ऑफर हुए थे.
Nishant Anwar played awesome for you guys.
Yeah. Four balls,
In that
4
match.
fours.
But he bats like वो लगान वाला. Yeah.
Full लगान. अरे हम लोग
because in after if you watch the final he tried the exact same thing on first ball and got out.
And I remember that Nishant innings watching it from the physio table. I was on my stomach. Another 4. और वो पीछे से कोई 4 जन मिलके मेरे को खड़ा करने का ट्राई कर रहे हैं.
Oh man, that's probably how Ganguly watched a lot of the game. On the physio table with one chart in front of him. Every time I've seen them cut to Ganguly back in the day, he was eating, dude. In
Bro,
the back
I'll
days.
tell you the kind of treatment we got last year, and I'm sure this year also they.
Yeah.
But like last year, dude, there was a like a fridge with Red Bull with your
Insane,
drinks.
insane.
You're getting a mushroom on toast, and you're getting chicken sandwiches,
Yeah, I
and
heard.
like, matlab, we are getting royal treatment.
It was
Unbelievable.
too good, man.
Unbelievable.
Unreal
Like,
organization.
Dhruv Bakshi shout out.
Dhruv Bakshi legend.
Chandigarh Laugh Club
Wow.
shout out.
That full
for-
team is incredible, dude. I can't believe, like last
Yeah.
year only, I can't believe कि where have I come? Like
Seriously,
मैं घर
dude.
पे अपना बच्चे को स्कूल भेज के
And
मैं
also-
खुद क्रिकेट खेलने आया. I couldn't believe my life.
If your kid knew the life you are living. And I just want to say, last year it was in Chandigarh, this year Dharamshala.
Dharamshala.
So
Dharamshala
next year
HTC.
तो Lords में ही होगा, तो please मुझे भी ले लो यार next year. मेरे को Lords में खेलना है एक बार.
Anirban already t-shirt निकालने के plan में है.
I want to play on a green pitch. I can swing the ball.
The
Please
home
बुला
of
लो.
cricket.
Oh my god.
Oh man. तो बताओ एक बार predictions कर लो and then
पहले
we'll
तो
wrap up.
बताओ कि कौन है, who are the players you're looking forward to and who you're dreading. चल, क्योंकि ये टूर्नामेंट के बाद है आने
Yeah.
वाला है एपिसोड, तो
So we'll know.
Oh man,
So-
some really good players. I think from the two opposition teams, Sumit Anand.
Yes.
Sumit Anand is really good.
Man of the
Yeah.
series last time.
Man of the series last time.
Rohit Singh, of course.
Beast. What is that guy? Rohit Singh should bat left-handed, I think. That's the spirit of cricket. And these are, I think, my
Gurlab from Chandigarh.
Gurlab, Vinay Bhatia.
Yeah.
Yeah, proper cricketers they are.
Yeah.
And who are you looking forward to facing?
Ashish Solanki is a good bowler.
Yeah, but he's not playing
Oh,
this
he's
year.
not playing.
हाँ.
Okay.
I'm looking forward to fit Anirban.
I'm like in our teams, we have some interesting. I would say.
Interesting is a good choice.
Dudeja is really batting well.
Yeah.
Dudeja was really good in the net session. Like ऐसे punch मारा था मैं 2-3 ball stop किया off my own bowling. It like my hands like burned.
भाई ये तभी like since the day the last tournament ended, he's been going to the nets.
He's very solid. He's very
Day
solid.
zero. The day it got
बिल्कुल
over,
भी
he's
नहीं
like
यार,
day
मैं
zero.
बता रहा हूँ तुम लोग को, अभी भी मेरा इतना कुछ खास नहीं. But one bowler I'm actually in this like not dreading, मतलब he's a good bowler, that's why I want to face him. Is Devesh Dikshit. I saw him in the nets.
Yeah, he was
Oh,
bowling
Devesh,
well.
did Devesh bowl last year?
No.
He didn't.
Yeah,
Why?
because same तेरे तरह
हाँ.
ये बोला मैं उठा ही नहीं था. इन पूरे साल भर मैं बैठा ही हुआ था.
Yeah.
तो इस साल वो थोड़ा
So he's a
exercise
fast bowler?
करके. He's a medium
pacer.
medium pacer.
Yeah, he bowls well. I saw
Yeah,
that
and he
game.
bowled really well. So I am like looking
Man,
forward to
Delhi
playing.
team really strong.
Yeah.
We have a really good bowler, Shivankit.
Yeah.
He's
Yeah.
so good.
Who's given me the thigh injury currently?
Do you guys
Yeah.
think you can defend your trophy? How confident are you?
Right
Right now, would you have the trophy right now with you, Dudeja? Do you think? As we speak?
Yes, I am going to say yes.
What about you?
I can't say no to this stuff, man. Come on.
I
You
would
can say no. You can say no.
I
No.
would say that I still don't believe that we won. So no question of
Yeah.
defending.
But this time it's about like this time it's like you're playing in Dharamshala.
Yeah.
It's like
It's about the
इससे बड़ा
experience.
हाँ इससे बड़ा कुछ ड्रीम मेरे लाइफ में हो नहीं सकता.
हाँ.
ट्रॉफी आई नहीं है ये हमें पता
And
नहीं.
if you
ये
lose, you can
episode.
always blame it on the altitude. Like
Yeah.
you couldn't breathe properly.
Like, yeah, man. We are better till Chandigarh. After that, I don't think we can.
That's awesome.
10,000
man.
above.
Sorted, dude. So let us know in the comments how wrong they were or right
Yeah.
about it, because by now the tournament. will be
Anirban,
over.
how many boundaries will Anirban hit?
Hey, why are you saying all this?
Okay, don't.
What about 0? That's also an option. Don't forget.
Wishing Mumbai team all the best.
Yeah,
Hope
wish us in the comments.
play some childless cricket and win it and
Done, done.
Yeah, Anirban, just abandon your child for a few days.
Yes, that's what
That's
I'm
the
doing already by saying yes.
घर पे बोला है ऑफिस में काम है धर्मशाला में क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो.
Oh shit.
By the way, Anirban is he's such a father magnet.
Yeah.
Look at how she's sleeping next to
Yeah,
Anirban.
yeah,
This is exactly how Adrita also sleeps. It's beautiful.
First you take the attack and then
Yeah.
now.
The daddy of comedy.
Well, I think that's about it. That was fun.
You have anything to plug in
yeah.
our highest viewed podcast
Yeah,
in the country?
this will come out October 1st or second week of October.
October, yes, I'm actually touring in October, doing 5-6 cities, Bangalore, Pune, Kolkata, Bombay, all these. So please come, watch my show. London, I'm also in London.
All our NRIs and
Yeah, thoda
cricket
check out
fans.
Lords if the pitch is good for next year.
I saw Lords this time. I actually last month.
You did the tour?
No, I didn't do the tour. It was expensive.
Acha.
And also I was with my little.
Yeah.
तो बहुत कुछ plan करना था, but I was staying in an Airbnb where I could see Lords.
Wow.
Oh,
And
what?
Took me 2 days to realize that's Lords.
तुझे क्या लगा वो किया ओवल है?
मेरे को समझा ही नहीं था, देखा ही नहीं था. Then I was like checking something on my maps and I said Lords is very close by, and then I passed Lords a few times
Nice.
while going to the zoo and all that.
Marylebone Cricket Club. भाई तू जा वो
श्रीलंका
tour
का
पे.
टेस्ट मैच हो रहा था उस time पे.
ओह डूड तू क्यों नहीं गया यार?
अरे वो नहीं
But-
हो पाया
अच्छा.
थोड़ा.
Family के साथ तो-
अभी अक्टूबर एंड no?
October end,
London.
London
Yeah.
shows.
And take him to Lords, whoever.
Awesome. Follow us. Drop comments about. I don't know what should they to comment about. बता भाई.
बताओ यार तुम्हें हम क्या अपना prediction तो नहीं पर क्या predict
Tell us
करेंगे
your
हम लोग?
stories, your worst injury.
हाँ
in
ये
cricket.
अच्छा है.
And make sure you do 2-3 comments तो भर जाए हमारा comment section.
और worst injuries regardless बता दो और मतलब doesn't matter cricket में ही.
And our serial hater, इस पे कैसे hate करोगे बताओ please.
Serial
We
hater
have
कौन
one
है?
serial hater.
We have-
इस पे भी hate.
He's not a
comment.
hater actually.
He's actually a commenter. We have this relationship. अभी.
Oh, okay.
मजेदार
love-hate
वाला.
relation.
Love-hate relationship.
Like CAB and Saurav Ganguly.
Oh man. Ganguly, is he Delhi का अभी coach or something?
वो
उसका
तो
कुछ
काफी
चल
time
रहा
था
Delhi,
बीच में.
अभी
IPL
है
में.
क्या? I don't
अब
know.
पता
Ponting
नहीं.
को निकाल दिया ना उन्होंने.
हाँ,
इसलिए.
Ponting को निकाले. Ponting has become
Punjab, no?
Punjab's coach.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Once you're in the IPL,
Punter in Punjab.
it's like Hotel California. You can never leave.
But that's great, man. But actually, both Delhi and Punjab have like really not been too good. So.
Yeah, good.
Last week
KKR winner is talking.
Oh yeah.
We'll do a
current
separate. I think
champion.
IPL will do a separate KKR episode.
Yeah,
yes,
we'll
yes.
for sure.
Let's do it.
With
2
Anirban.
times, no, 3 times champion.
3 times
Three
champion.
times
Yeah.
champion.
We'll-
3
and this
stars.
year was like the worst final of.
This year was so smooth. I can't believe it.
Dude, this is the greatest year of Shah Rukh Khan's life. If you consider the 2 hits
Jawan,
plus
Pathaan,
KKR,
KKR.
that's the you can't beat that.
Plus Aryan's bail.
That is true. That is true. Wankhede has featured in his life a lot. That topical stuff for you guys. But yeah, that's the episode. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Please get us 2,000 subscribers ASAP.
We want to monetize this so that we can all make amazing money, which is 33 rupees per. How many?
Per 1,000 views. So per episode, at least if you can get to 35, 36 rupees, it would be
Yes.
really great. So please smash all the buttons and whatever you have to do.
Like wala is on the left, right? Like God of offside. Left.
Cheers. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.